Hello friends, welcome to Doubt Forum. This question is a bullet of mass 10 gram moving horizontally with a velocity of 400 meter per second strikes a wood block of mass 2 kg which is suspended by a light inextensible string of length 5 meter. As a result, the center of gravity of the block found to rise a vertical distance of 10 centimeter. The speed of the bullet after it emerges out horizontally from the block will be, and these four options are here. So before I solve this question, I would like to explain the motion of a simple pendulum. Suppose this is a string and one end of this string is attached to a bob of mass m. This is a bob of mass m. If this end of this string is fixed, so only bob can move. So the path followed by this bob will be, it will move like this. It will reaches up to a certain height and then it will return back and it will reach to another extreme point. So this will be its path. So at one extreme point, this bob will reach here and then it will return back and then it will reaches the another extreme point. The one thing which is very important in this type of motion is that the total mechanical energy is always conserved. The mechanical energy is consist of the kinetic energy which is given by half mv square and potential energy which is given by mgh. So half mv square plus mgh would always remain constant during this whole motion. Now we must understand that at any of these two extreme points the velocity is zero. When the velocity is zero, so at these two extreme points this bob will have only the potential energy and which is given by mgh. So in these two extreme points this bob will not have any kinetic energy, so only energy which is stored in this bob will be its potential energy which is equal to the mgh. When this bob reaches to this center point, its height would become zero and at this point its potential energy would be zero. So when this bob is passing from this position, this bob will only have its kinetic energy that is given by half mv square. So this is how and in between these two, there will be a conversion between the potential energy to kinetic energy. When this bob reaches to the extreme points, whole of this kinetic energy will convert it into the potential energy. Similarly, when this bob returns and reaches to this point, whole of this potential energy will convert it into its kinetic energy. This is how the conversion of energy between the kinetic to potential and potential to kinetic takes place in this type of motion. Okay. So now let's come back to the question. In the question, it is said that there is a bullet. Suppose this is a bullet. This bullet has a mass of 10 gram. The velocity is given as 400 meter per second. This is given. Now what happens when this bullet is moving in a straight path like this? In between there is a wooden block which is suspended by a string of length 5 meter. So this is a wooden block. Mass of this wooden block is given as 2 kg. This block is initially at rest, so velocity of this block is 0. Now what happens, this bullet passes through this wooden block and when this bullet emerges out, we are asked to find the velocity. And during this strike, the vertical height of this block has increases to 10 centimeter. So due to this striking of this bullet into this wooden block, the height is being increased to 10 centimeter. So this block has attained a height of a 10 centimeter. So to solve this question, what we will do, we will simply apply the law of conservation of momentum. In law of conservation of momentum, we will write down the momentum of this block, this bullet and this block before the collision takes place and after the collision takes place, and then we will equate. So before collision, the momentum of this block would be its mass and velocity, because the momentum is given by mass into velocity. This is the formula for momentum. So before collision, the momentum of this block would be, this bullet would be the mass of bullet which is given by 10 gram. So we have to convert this gram into kilogram. So this will be 10 by 1000 kilogram into velocity. Velocity is given in 400 meter per second plus momentum of this wooden block would be its mass, that is 2 kg into velocity. Before collision, the velocity of this wooden block is 0. So we have to multiply this with 0. This will be equal to the momentum of this bullet after the collision. So the mass of bullet into velocity after collision, mass is given by 10 grams. So again we have to convert it into kilograms into velocity of bullet. This velocity we are asked to find, plus after collision the mass of this wooden block will remain 2 kg into velocity of this wooden block after collision. It is not given to us, so we have to find out the velocity first of this wooden block. So one way of finding the velocity is always, as I told you, that when this bob reaches to its extreme points, whole of its kinetic energy would be converted into its potential energy. So what we can do, we can find out its potential energy, and then we will equate that potential energy equal to its kinetic energy. So this way we will find the velocity of this bob when it is passing from this center position. So due to this striking of bullet, the height has been increased to 10 centimeter, due to which the change in potential energy or the potential energy stored in this wooden block would be given by m into g into h. This will be equal to the kinetic energy of this bob when it is passing from the center point or from this central axis. If this is its central axis, so what we will do, we will equate this equal to half mv square. This velocity is the velocity of this wooden block when it is at its center position. So from here we can easily find out the velocity of wooden block, which will be equal to 2 times of g into h. And from here, if we put the value of g as 9.8 and the height is given as 10 centimeter, so we have to convert this centimeter into meter. So from here, 1.4 meter per second. So this is the velocity of this wooden block due to hitting of bullet into this block. So what we will do, we will simply put the velocity of block as 1.4 meter per second. From here we can simplify this equation, and this will be 4 plus 0 equal to 1 by 100 into v plus 2.8. Or from here we can simply get the value of velocity as 4 minus 2.8 into 100, and this will be equal to 1.2 into 100, and this is equal to 120 meter per second. So this would be the speed of bullet after it emerges out from this wooden block. So let me quickly revise this question again. In this question, what is happening? There is a bullet. The mass of this bullet is given as 10 gram. The velocity is 400 meter per second. This bullet is moving, and this bullet hits a wooden block. The mass of this wooden block is given as 2 kg. Initially, this wooden block is at rest. This wooden block is suspended by a massless inextensible string of 5 meter length. Due to this collision, the block has rise to a vertical distance of 10 centimeter, and after the bullet which is passing through this wooden block, it emerges out. So we are asked to find the velocity of this bullet after it emerges out from the wooden block. So what we will do here, we will simply apply the law of conservation of momentum, because there is a collision happening. So whenever there is a collision, we will always apply the law of conservation of momentum, in which the momentum before the collision would always be equal to the momentum after the collision. So before collision, momentum of this bullet would be its mass into velocity. We always have to take the mass in kilogram, plus momentum of this wooden block would be its mass into velocity. Velocity is 0 because before collision this wooden block is at rest. This will be equal to the momentum after the collision. After collision, the momentum of this bullet would be the mass of this bullet into velocity, plus mass of this wooden block is 2, and the velocity of this wooden block we need to find out. So to find out the velocity of this wooden block, what we will do, we will simply try to use the concept of motion of a simple pendulum. In this simple pendulum, at its extreme points, this bob will only have the potential energy, the kinetic energy would be 0, while at its center point, this bob will only have its kinetic energy, which will be equal to the potential energy of the bob at its extreme points. So because the height is given, so we can find out the potential energy of this bob when this bob is at one of its extreme points, and then what we will do, we will simply equate that potential energy equal to the kinetic energy. So this way we can find out the velocity of this bob when it is passing from this central axis. So this velocity is particularly for the bob when it is passing from this central point. Okay, because as it reaches away from the center point, its velocity will decrease, and when it reaches at its extreme point, its velocity would be 0. So by equating these two energy, we can only find out the velocity at its center point. So that is what we are asked to find in order to put in this equation. So by equating the potential energy equal to the kinetic energy, we will find the velocity of this bob when it is passing from its center point. So this comes out to be 1.4 meter per second. So by putting 1.4 meter per second here, and with the help of little bit of simplification, we can find out the value of velocity of this bullet after it emerges out from this wooden block, which is equal to the 1.2 into 100, that is 120 meter per second. And if we match our answer with the options given, so option number C would be the correct one. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.